You're tired of paying high fees every time you're sending crypto and you don't like it? Well, I've got a solution for you. Watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how you can mitigate all these fees and send crypto at a zero fee charge. Watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified every time I post a new video. Otherwise, let's get started. So right here, I have my Binance, and you can get the Binance app from Apple Store or from Play Store, and make sure that you verify as soon as you get it. So let's get started. So this is my crypto app, right? My Binance already verified, and I would like to send, let's say, 10 USDT to somebody else, maybe let's say 70 USDT to somebody else, but I'll just like send 2 USDT for sake of illustration. So what I'm gonna do, instead of me sending USDT or Tron or on the Tron network or maybe Ethereum network, I'm gonna be charged fees, and I don't need to do that. So wherever I'm sending, I just have to ask that person that, hey, are you able to receive Litecoin? And they have to check their wallet if they're able to receive Litecoin. If they're able to receive Litecoin, voila, we're good to go. So what we're gonna do right now is, let's say you want to fund your trading account, we want to pay for things, you want to just check in the payment methods if there's a Litecoin under the crypto section. If you see that there's Litecoin, voila, we're good to go. So let's say just choose the Litecoin, wherever you want to send, and get the address, come with it, copy it, keep it somewhere. So now you're having USDT, you don't have Litecoin in your mobile, but now we need to convert this Litecoin. So this is how we're gonna do. All right, so we're gonna go on wallet. Once we go on wallet, we're gonna go on funding, and once we're in funding, we're gonna hit the USDT. So once we're in USDT, we're gonna hit the convert. So right now we want to convert how much USDTs we're supposed to send. So we're just sending like 2 USDT to Litecoin. So this is the amount of 2 USDTs in Litecoin. So the next thing we're gonna do is to hit preview and convert. Voila, it has been done. So right now we're having 2 Litecoin. So the next thing what we're gonna do is that since we have 2 Litecoin, we're gonna go back, and we're just gonna have to refresh this page, and I'll show you where the Litecoin will come from. Oops, yeah. So we're gonna go on the funding. So inside here you can actually see that we're having Litecoin inside here. We're having USDT, we're having Litecoin, we're having like 2 assets. So let's say we want to send Litecoin right now. We just go on Litecoin, and then we're gonna hit on withdraw. So when we're on withdraw, we're gonna hit crypto, and the address that the person has sent us, or maybe we're finding a trading account, we just hit on put the address right there. And once the address is right there, but this address I don't think it's gonna accept, because it's just like, okay, we're just trying things, and yeah, because the address is not correct, because this is like an address that I've copied somewhere. Don't worry about it, but let's make it work. So you just have to put the address and then the network and then the amount. So let's say we're sending the $2, the whatever amount we're sending, let's say max everything we have, right? And then the next thing is just the obvious thing, where you just have to hit withdraw, confirm, and then confirm your two-factor authentication. Just simple like that. Easy. If you'd like to know how to send Binance on your, like, Binance to Binance, check my previous videos. If you'd like to know how to send maybe let's say buy crypto locally, you can just also check my previous videos. I've already done that. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.